Hey guys, welcome back to Hello Pumpkin Studios. I know it's been a minute, but Eric and I welcomed a little baby girl not too long ago, and we decided to take a break from YouTube and uploading videos to Hello Pumpkin Studios and just enjoy our time with her. So I'm back at woodworking finally, and to get me started, I'm going to start with building just a simple shoe rack by our garage entry door. We just kind of throw our shoes there just because we don't want shoes in the house with the little baby girl. So I'm going to start there, get myself back into the gist of things, and then see what else I might start building. So come join me. Here's a current look of what it looks like where we just kind of throw our shoes right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to build a simple shoe rack that fits right here in between the entry door, and this is an old washer that we had. So I'm going to build it right here, stack our shoes up. I'm not sure how high I'm going to go, but I think I'm going to do the same width of it as it here. As you see, the tripod's just sitting there, just an umbrella. It's kind of just thrown storage, so this is where we're going to start. To build it, I'm just going to use some scrap 2x4s that I have laying around the garage. So what I have here is, over here is a 30-inch 2x4, same over here, and then in between are just 12-inch 2x4s. And I'm just going to make a box, and then I'm just going to put like OSB between each level. I'm debating on if I'm going to put one more or two more in between the top and the bottom. I have the outside pieces set. Now I'm debating if I'm going to do some runners across the side or if I'm just going to set the OBS right on that. I guess it just depends if I want it to sag or not. I don't think it should, so I think I'm just going to put the OBS right there and see what happens. One, two, three.
I think it's hanging out this side. I don't know if that's bad or not.
What do you mean hanging? Oh, no. I'll fix it when I get to the other side. It kind of twisted on me, but well. It's just to hold our shoes. Right?
Well, I didn't know if you wanted to fix it, but you don't have to fix it.
One, two, three.
Good job, Becca.
And here she is, finished. All I used was a little half-inch OSB, and I just Brad nailed it with 2-inch brad nails into the 2x4s. I also added 2 more shelves in between. I was thinking of putting a top shelf on it, but I'm gonna wait till Erica sees it and see what she thinks, and I'm gonna see how many pairs of shoes I can fit on this. There it is for now. I'll probably have to put a top on it just so then we can add a few more pairs of shoes, because I could probably sneak some shoes back there, but my shoes aren't wide enough, or the shelves aren't wide enough for my shoes, so we'll see. I'll have Erica look and see if she wants me to add a top. But yeah, this was just a simple project to get me back into the groove of building. Thanks for joining me as I got back in the building. It's been nice to be out in the garage again, sweat, build something. So thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you around on the next project.